The video and audio tracks are linked together on the timeline, so any cuts and splits will apply to both tracks. It is possible to unlink these tracks by clicking this button, but I'll keep the tracks linked together for this tutorial. In order to cut something from the timeline, you'll need to make a selection first using the green and red in and out points on the playhead. For example, if you want to remove the first couple seconds from your recording, just click and drag the red out point to make a selection, and click the cut icon. The selected area is now gone, and all clips on the timeline slide to the left to keep everything aligned and in sync. At times, using the zoom in and zoom out controls can be extremely helpful when making precise selections to cut on the timeline. You can split a clip into two by positioning the playhead anywhere on the timeline and clicking the split button. This allows you to add additional media between these two clips, like transitions, title clips, or images and video clips. One really nice feature when recording PowerPoint presentations is that markers are automatically added on the timeline to show the beginning of each new slide in the presentation. If you ever need to delete or cut a specific slide from your presentation, click to select the first marker and use the hotkey S to make a split. Then select the next marker and use the S hotkey again to make a second split. Right-click the clip and choose Remove from Timeline. That section is now gone, both video and audio, and everything to the right slides left on the timeline to keep everything in sync. Splitting at all markers can also be helpful if you ever want to rearrange the order of any slides, or add additional media between the clips like I mentioned earlier. Rather than splitting each marker individually, a quicker way is to expand the Edit menu and go to Markers, Split at all markers. Now each slide in the PowerPoint presentation is its own separate clip, and they can be dragged and repositioned if desired. Markers are also needed on the timeline in order to create a table of contents in your produced video. A table of contents allows your audience to quickly navigate to specific areas within the video, making it easy for them to review specific information or pick up where they left off. The next video in this series will cover how to use markers to create a table of contents in your video.